In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide SKU on Shopify. If you've ever felt that SKUs clutter your product page, or you simply don't want to show internal stock codes to customers, this quick update is all you need. We'll use your theme editor so the change is safe, reversible, and doesn't affect how you manage inventory in the admin. Your SKUs will still exist for orders and reports, they just won't display on the storefront. First, head to your Shopify admin. This is your store's main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're there, look at the left sidebar and click Online Store. This takes you to the Themes area, where you'll adjust how your store looks to visitors. Next, find your current live theme. You'll see a button like Edit or Customize next to it. Click that to open the theme editor. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see a live preview of your store on the right and a panel of sections and settings on the left. At the top of the editor, open the Page Selector drop-down. Choose a product page template, often labeled Products, then Default Product, or the specific product template your store uses. This ensures we're editing the exact layout where SKUs appear. In the left panel, select the Product Information section. Depending on your theme, this might be called Product Details, Product Content, or something similar. It's the section that controls the core details like the product title, price, variants, and often the SKU. Inside that section's settings, look for an option named Show SKU. Some themes call it Display SKU or Show Product SKU. The wording can vary, but the meaning is the same. It controls whether the SKU appears on the product page. Turn that option off. You should see the SKU disappear right away in the live preview on the right. When it looks good, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes to the store. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If your store uses more than one product template, repeat these same steps inside each template where you want SKUs hidden. If you don't see a Show SKU option, your theme may not include a built-in toggle. In that case, check your theme's documentation, or reach out to the theme developer or Shopify support for guidance. After saving, refresh a live product page in a private or incognito window to confirm the change from a shopper's perspective. That's it, your product pages will no longer display SKUs, while your backend workflow remains unchanged.